Hey DJs, welcome back to the DJ Biz School, where we show you how to go from passionate to profitable. I'm Sean, and today we're breaking down how to set up Google Ads the right way for DJs without wasting money and without being overwhelmed. We're doing a full walkthrough live, and then I'll give you 5 secrets every DJ needs to know to get the best return on investment from their ads. Alright guys, before we get into this week's video, I need you all to do me a huge favor. First, give this video a thumbs up if this knowledge is useful to you. 2, subscribe to this channel so you get notified every time a video drops. And 3, head over to our Facebook group so you can connect and interact with other like-minded DJs who are also looking to grow their business. All right, thank you guys for that. Now, let's get into the video. All right, let's get started. First thing you're going to do is go to ads.google.com. If this is your very first time setting up a Google Ads campaign, they have some great offers out there to get some free advertising credit. You'll see this when you get to the page. Currently, they are offering 500, 1,000, and 1,500 back in free ad credits based on how much you're going to spend. For this video, we're going to do the $500 in ads credits, which is good if you spend $500 in the next 60 days. That's $250 a month, which is going to line up perfectly with this lesson. All right, now it's time to set up our very first campaign. We're going to start by entering our business name, and then you have to decide where should people go after clicking on your ad. If you have a website already, that's the #1 option we're going to go with. If you don't have a website, I recommend going with your phone number. What Google's going to do now is they're actually going to look at your website, and they're going to build you an ad that they recommend to you. We are not going to use this. We are going to go ahead and create our own ad from scratch. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to touch that description up. Again, I'm going to recommend heading over to ChatGPT, have them write up a nice, strong description for you. In this case, we're going to say that we did that and we're going to move on. Next up, we have to decide what products or services we want to advertise in this campaign. For this one, we are doing one product only, and we are making it nice and simple. Wedding DJ. That's it. That's all we want to advertise for this first campaign. That is what we are looking to book, and those are the customers we want, our customers looking for a wedding DJ. All right, guys, next up, it is time to choose a goal for our campaign. This step is crucial. Google gives you tons of pre-built options, but they don't perform well. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here to the bottom, and we are skipping this. All right, next up, it wants us to choose a campaign type. For this ad, we are specifically focusing on a search campaign. All right, now that we've chosen our campaign type, it is time to add our keywords. This is what's going to trigger our ad to show when people search for it. Now, Google is going to suggest a bunch of keywords down here. The problem is Google's using general search terms and not exact matches when you just use what they have. So we're going to delete all of these out of here, and we're going to write our own exact match keywords. And the way you do this is by adding these little brackets that you see with each keyword. What that's going to do is this is only going to show our ad to people who search these exact phrases, nobody else. All right, now that we've set our keywords, it's time to work on some other factors. Our first one here is going to be locations. We're going to go ahead and again, we're going to clear out everything that Google recommends, and we're going to do our own. So what we're going to do is we're going to select custom locations, and we're going to go to advanced search. All right, next thing we want to do, we want to switch this from location to radius. And I like to advertise within a 60-mile radius. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add our zip code. There we go. And what that's going to do is that's going to make a 60-mile radius around us for where we want to advertise. Now, there's a few other cities I like to hit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change my radius and make it a little smaller here. And we like to advertise in Atlanta. And we like to advertise in Chattanooga. And the last big one we like to advertise in is Greenville, South Carolina. These are all major metropolitan areas surrounding where we're located out of. All right, this next step for locations is crucial. You're going to scroll down after selecting your locations, and you're going to go to location options. And what we want to do is we want to switch this from presence or interest to only presence. The reason for this is if you don't select only presence, it can show your ads to people who've just shown an interest in your selected radius. So they may have never been to Atlanta in their life, but maybe they searched for the Atlanta Braves and they've shown an interest now in that area. So they'll start showing your ad even though they're all the way in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So what we're going to do, again, is select presence, people in or regularly in your included locations. All right, our next step, we are working on our headlines for our Google ad. Again, Google is going to suggest stuff to put in here, and we just want to go ahead and completely delete what they're suggesting. All right, we've went ahead and we've added our own unique headlines. So what we did here is we went and pinned each headline into a specific position in the ad. So our ad is always going to read exactly the same. Dreaming of the perfect DJ? Book Georgia's #1 wedding DJ. Reach out before it's too late. So when a user reads that, it sounds like a human talking. It is easy for their brain to understand and recognize, and it's going to look a lot better than what Google is recommending to you. Now, what we recommend doing is doing 3 sets of these. So you're going to have 3 number 1s, 3 number 2s, and 3 number 3s. Each number 1 should be able to be changed out with any of the other number 2s and 3s and still sound good. The same thing for 2s and for 3s. I can switch any number 3 in with any combination of 1 and 2, and it's all going to still make a nice cohesive sentence. For example, if I switched out dreaming of the perfect DJ with looking to pack your dance floor, it's still going to make sense. Or dreaming of the perfect DJ, book Georgia's top DJ. Just different stuff like that, where no matter which one Google chooses to recommend, it's always going to make a nice cohesive sentence in your ad. You can see our sample down here right now. Dreaming of the perfect DJ, book Georgia's #1 wedding DJ. Straight, simple, to the point, and something that is likely for people to click on. All right, we've went ahead and we've added in our new descriptions, got rid of Google's garbage, and we are ready to roll. No matter what order Google chooses to show these descriptions in, it's going to sound good, and it's nice, complete sentences that are going to make sense to a consumer and hopefully encourage them to click on our ad. We do recommend doing at least 6 descriptions. The more descriptions you have in there, the higher score Google's going to give to your ad. The same thing also applies with headlines. If you can max both of these out, it's going to give you the best score possible. All right, now that we've got our headlines and descriptions added, there's a few things on this page that we still want to talk about. One, let's go back to the top where it says final URL. Make sure that you use HTTPS before your URL, so that way Google gives it a higher ranking. All right, next up, we have more asset types. Here, if you're running a promotion, maybe you want to offer 10% off with your ad to help entice people to click on it, you can go ahead and you can add that as a promotion here. Maybe you want to show your starting price so you don't get a lot of tire kickers clicking on your ad. So I could go ahead and put in here, weddings starting at $2,000, and that's going to show. So the people with the smaller budgets are less likely to click on that ad. If we want to get calls directly, even though we did our website to start, we still want the option for people to call us from our ad, we can go ahead and we can add a phone number onto here. All right, the next one on the same page is site links. This is where you can add links to specific pages on your website if you want them to show up in your ad. You can see Google's already went ahead and did this, and so you can take those out and send them to specific pages. So if you have uplighting, photo booths, maybe special effects like dancing on the cloud, and you have specific pages for those, you can add those to your ad and they'll show up in the bottom of it. This part is completely optional and up to you if you want to utilize it or not. All right, once you've gone through and you've added all the asset types that you want to add, you can go ahead and go to the next page. A little tip, after you've ran your first ads, Google will start to give you the option to add photos in with your ad, and we highly recommend doing this. Find that best shot that represents people having a good time at your event, people having fun, and use that for your main photo for your ad, something that's going to draw the attention of the people searching, and again, help encourage them to click on your ad. After this, we can go ahead and go to our next step. All right, now it's time to set our bid strategy. What we want to focus on are clicks. Whether we want them to visit our website or give us a phone call, we want them to click on our ad, and that is when it's going to cost us for Google for running our advertisement. So what we want to do is we want to set a maximum cost per click bid limit. And what we're going to do here is we're going to start this off on $3 per click. All right, now it's time to go ahead and set our budget. You can see Google recommended a budget of $35 per day, which would lead to roughly 82 clicks per week with a weekly cost of $246, which over a month, this ad is going to cost us over $1,000 to run. But you do not need to be that high to start until you get your ads figured out and working properly. So we want to adjust this to a lower budget. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this to $10 per day. That's going to lead us to 46 potential clicks per week at a rate of $70 per week. So that's going to be roughly $280 a month, which is going to be right in line over a 2-month period for us to get that extra $500 in free advertising credit. Now, Google's going to tell you that your budget is lower than other advertisers and it may affect your performance. Obviously, they want us to raise our budget. Ignore this. All this is going to do is it's going to show your ad after your other competitors have already ran through their daily advertising budget. So yes, you might not be showing up every single time somebody searches wedding DJ, but you're going to spend less per click than your competitors, especially in a market where you're dealing with The Knot, Zola, Bark, all of those sites that are constantly trying to get us to sign up and spend money with them. They're also advertising to the same clients we are, which is what is raising up that recommended cost per day. So we're going to let them blow their budget first, and we're going to come swoop in at the end and get their leftovers, essentially. All right, we are on to our final step. It's time to let Google get paid. It's going to take you to set up your payment profile, which is going to be your operating name, your legal name, and then your chosen payment method. You can choose between a credit card or a bank account. Now, here's something to know. Google will place a temporary $50 hold on whatever method you choose, and it will be released within a couple days. They won't actually charge you for your ads until you reach a certain threshold with your advertising. Usually when you first start out, it's $10, then $50, and then you'll start getting up into the $100. Ours right now is well over $1,000 per month before they process that payment. So essentially once per month, Google goes ahead and pulls all of our advertising money out now in one big chunk. Once you're done with this page, your ad is all set, and now it's time to dive a little bit deeper to really target these ads. All right, now that you've added your payment methods and your ad is ready to go, it's time to dive in, and I'm going to show you some of the settings that we use to really target a specific audience and not waste our click budget on other DJs or people searching for things that might not necessarily align with what we're trying to market. So what we're going to do here is we are going to go to audiences, keywords, and content. We're going to scroll down and we are going to select audiences. All right, after you click on audiences, it's going to bring you to this screen. This is going to show you your audience segments, which we set up during the initial ad. But what we want to do here is we're actually going to scroll down to a section called demographics. Once you find demographics, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on edit demographics. All right, once you click on demographics, this screen's going to come up. This is going to allow you to target specific audiences. So I'm looking to target females only, since about 90% of people shopping for a wedding DJ are the females. Most of the males who will click on your ad are actually other wedding DJs who are just looking to cost you money and to waste your advertising budget. The next thing I like to target is an age range. I like to do between 25 and 64. All right, the next thing I like to target is household income. Again, we are a higher end service. We charge more than a lot of our competitors. I'm not looking to advertise necessarily to that bottom 50%. I'm looking to advertise to that top 50% who can afford our services. So that's the demographic that we're targeting with this. Once you have your target demographic selected, go ahead and save. All right, we've went ahead, we've set our demographics. Our ad is ready to go. Now all we have to do is wait for Google to go ahead and improve it. Once your ad's approved, start monitoring it each day. See how you're doing on clicks, but also understand that it's going to take time for Google to show your ad to the right people. Google is now going to essentially train itself for it to be able to show your ad as much as possible with the budget you gave and to the audience that you selected, because Google wants to make the most advertising revenue off you possible. So they're going to do the hard work now and get this ad to show up at the right time in the right place based off that advertising budget. Now, if a couple weeks go by and you're not getting any clicks on this ad, you may need to go in and boost up that cost per click and your overall budget, but don't do that right away. Give it a week or two and let it just see how your ad's going to perform. So there you have it. That is how we set up our Google ads for our wedding DJ service. Now, I need you guys to go ahead and do me a favor. If you haven't already, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel so you get notified every time we drop a new episode. And if you haven't already, hop over to Facebook and join our Facebook group, the DJ Biz School. We're actually going to be dropping a brand new PDF file right after this episode airs that you can go and download, and it actually walks you through step by step with a checklist of how you should be setting up your Google ads. Now that we've gotten all that out of the way, we're going to dive in to 5 secrets every DJ should know to maximize the ROI on their Google ads. All right, let's talk about the part that really matters: how to make sure every dollar spent on your Google ads actually works for you. Here are 5 secrets every wedding DJ should know to maximize ROI and get better leads faster. All right, secret number 1, and this one's huge. We talked about it in the video. Set the proper target demographics. We want to be reaching women only age 25 to 64, and that top 50 percentile for household incomes. These are the people who are out actually shopping for a wedding DJ. It's our brides, it's our planners, and it's their moms. These are usually the decision makers, and that's who we want to be targeting. Be sure that you go in and you actually set your demographic targeting properly. In Google Ads, this is something you adjust after you create your campaign. Head into your campaign settings, then go to audiences, demographics, and exclude age groups and genders that don't fit your target clientele base. Remember, by selecting women only, we're helping eliminate other DJs from clicking on our ad and costing us advertising revenue. All right, secret number 2, use location targeting the right way. Don't waste clicks on people just interested in your area. Only target people who are actually in or regularly in your chosen service area. In your location settings, choose presence, people in or regularly in your targeted location, and not the default setting. This is going to help you save on your cost per clicks and keep your ads hyper-local. All right, secret number 3, use exact match and negative keywords together. Exact match keywords are your best friend. Think terms like wedding DJ near me, North Georgia DJ. The people searching these terms are ready to hire you. But just as important, use negative keywords to block junk clicks. Words like free, how to DJ, Spotify playlist, DJ jobs, DJ gear. You don't want to pay for that traffic. Review your search terms regularly and build your negative list as you go. This one tip can cut your cost per lead in half. Secret 4, make your headlines flow like a real sentence. Google gives you 3 headline slots and people often just throw words in there. Don't do that. Think of them as one flowing sentence. Here's an example that works for us. Headline 1, dreaming of the perfect wedding DJ? Headline 2, check out North Georgia weddings and events. Headline 3, reach out today to see if your date is available. When you put that all together, dreaming of the perfect wedding DJ? Check out North Georgia weddings and events. Reach out today to see if your date is available. See how that reads like a conversation? It's way more natural and gets way better engagement. All right, here we are. Secret 5, use descriptions that sound like a human wrote them. Descriptions should flow too. Think of it like one clear paragraph. Here's one we've used with success. Our award-winning DJ brings energy, professionalism, and fun to every event. From your ceremony to the final song of the night, we handle every detail. Book early to lock in your date. This builds trust and makes your ad look less like a robot wrote it and more like something a real couple would want to click. So there you have it, 5 secrets that can completely change the way Google Ads work for you. If you follow these tips, you'll start seeing better leads and lower ad costs in no time. We also went ahead and we made a free checklist for you to follow as you set up your next ad. It's available right now on the DJ Biz School Facebook group. Just search for us on Facebook, hop in and grab it for free. Once again, thank you guys so much for checking out this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop a comment down below and let us know what topic you'd like us to discuss next. Also, do us a favor and check out some of our friends' shows. We have Time to Spin every Monday here on YouTube. We have the DJ Roundtable live every Tuesday on Twitch, as well as reruns here Monday on YouTube. We have the DJ Biz School every single Wednesday, and then check out our friends over on the Cue It Up podcast live every Thursday here on YouTube. Once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in this week. Until next time, keep spinning, keep growing, and keep owning your DJ biz. See you next week.
Drop the beat, rise above, DJ Biz School, build the brand you love.